Hey everyone, welcome to Hackify-Tech. In this video, I'll be showing a step-by-step guide for installing MySQL in Windows. This is the perfect video for beginners who wants to start with database and with the backend development. So MySQL is an open source relational database management software which is widely used in web applications and mobile applications. So let's get started with the installation steps. So first thing, if you want to verify MySQL is installed in your system or not, you can just open a command prompt and type MySQL. If it is installed, it might show you these options. So you can see that it is showing not recognized. Okay, or else you can just go to your C drive, go to your program files. Here you just click and just search for MySQL. Okay, if the software is not installed, you won't be able to see any folder over here. Okay, fine then. So you can see in my system I have not installed MySQL, so let me just start with the installation process. So I'll close both command prompt and the file explorer. I'll just open a simple browser. You can use any browsers. Okay, on the browser you can just type MySQL downloads. You will find this first website over here, which is starting with https mysql.com/downloads. So the moment I click here, it will take me to the downloads pages. No need to sign in or log in anywhere. Just scroll down a bit down. You will find this MySQL community GPL downloads. Just click on this. Now it will take you to the download page. Okay, so now here no need to click on anything. Over here at the bottom you will find this MySQL installer for Windows. Just click on this link. Okay, so this is where you can see the latest version of MySQL. The current version is 8.0.46. Now here at the bottom you will find the second download option. So where the size of the package is 565.9 MB. Just click on the download button. So it will redirect us to this page. No need to log in or sign up. At the bottom you will find a link to just start the download. Click on this download link. Now you can see that the download has started over here. The download will take 2 minutes of time. We'll just fast forward this video here. Okay, you guys can see that now the download is about to complete. It take hardly another few seconds. Still you can see it is in progress even if it is showing 566 MB or 566 MB. So you just need to wait until this is completed. Okay, now after completion you might see this or see it somewhat like this. Just click on the file over here, open file. Okay, you can see the installation result will come up. Okay, I have clicked it twice, so that's why this pop-up is coming. So I'll just cancel the previous process. So here it is asking for an administration permission. I'll click on yes. The installation has started. I'll just give a permissions, click on yes. So now here you can see it is asking for the installation type. I just need a full installation. I'll just click on the full. I'll just click on the next. So it is going to install the server, the workbench, the shell, routers, documentation and few examples it will add. I'll just click on execute. So the server is the main where our MySQL will be running. Workbench is for the UI. The MySQL shell is for opening the MySQL in command prompts, and router is for connecting from one systems to another systems. Then the documentation, then some sample examples we have over here. Let this finish. This might take few minutes. So again I'll fast forward the video over here. Okay, these steps are completed. I'll just click on the next button now. So it will start configuring. Just click on next. So you can see this is the port where our MySQL is running. So don't make any changes over here. Just click on the next button. Okay, so here we just don't click on anything. So we're gonna use an password for authentication. Just click on yes. Okay, so here you need to give a password. I'm giving the password as root. Same thing. I'll just confirm it over here. Okay, it's okay if the password is weak. Also, if you want to add any other users, you can add it over here, or you can just ignore. Just click on the next button. Next, don't make any changes. So for the current user, it is asking us to grant us the full access, full permissions. I'll click on the next. Click on execute. Just click on the finish button. Few more steps left with. Okay, so you can see all the configurations over here. Next again. So here you need to give the same password which you have typed previously. So the username is root. I'll enter the password as root as well. It should not be same the previous password which you have given there. You have to type it here. Click on the check. If the username and password both are matching, then the connection will be successful. Then just click on the next button. Execute. Okay, now finish. Okay, so you can see the installation is completed in my system. The workbench has started it over here. I'll just close this. I'll close this. Now to verify, I'll open a command prompt and I'll type MySQL over here, but still you are able to see that MySQL is not recognized. So I'll just close this. I'll open a file explorer. I'll go to the C drive. I'll go to the program files. Can you see that MySQL folder was not available earlier? Now it is created. Now if I just open this MySQL folder, you will find 4 files: router, server, and all those things. I'll just go inside the server. I have a bin folder. I'll open this bin folder. I'll just click here and I'll type the cmd. Now if I type MySQL over here, now it is able to recognize that MySQL command. Okay, now if I type MySQL-u, root is my username and -p is the password. So I'll hit enter. Now it is asking for the password. I'll enter the previous password as root. So now you can see that I'm able to log into the MySQL shell. Okay, so I'll be able to execute MySQL commands over here. Show databases. You can see the databases over here. Okay, but the thing is, if I open a command prompt, if I close this, and if I open a command prompt directly from here, and if I type MySQL, you can see it is not able to recognize by the system. So for this, we need to set a path. Okay, to set a path, you come to this location, C program files MySQL, MySQL Server, copy this bin path. Copy this bin path, open environment, just type environment. You will find this edit system environmental variables inside your control panel. Just click on this. Go to the advanced section. So here you will find an environmental variables. Click on this. So here this is for a specific user. This is for the entire system. So I'll come to the entire system. I'll find the paths. I'll double click on this. So I have a different path set. So in this I need to add a new one for MySQL. I'll click on the new and I'll paste the URL. So now I'll just click on OK. OK, done. Now I'll just close everything. I'll just close this command prompt as well. I'll open a new command prompt and I'll just start giving a command called MySQL. Let's see. Earlier it was giving an error, but now I'm able to see it is showing me an access denied error message. So I'll just type MySQL -u, root is my password, sorry, root is my username, -p is the password. I'll hit enter. I'll enter the password as root. Now you can see I'm inside the MySQL server. So I can start executing the commands now. Show databases. It will show me a list of database. I want to create a database. Create a database. Okay, create database Hackify-Tech. I'll just hit enter. So each and every query must end with semicolon. Now you can see I have created database. I can see the list over here. Hackify-Tech, it is created. I can select this database. Okay, database I have selected. Now I can create a table as well. Users int id comma varchar name, like this. So varchar of 20. Okay, so id I need to give first, then integer, then I need to give the name, which is of type varchar of 20. Hit enter. Now you can see the table has been created. I can just write show tables. Now you can see there is a user table. I can describe the table. Now here the table is available. Okay, that's it for this video. So we have installed MySQL and we have executed few of the MySQL commands.